I'm here and then they don't even know that I'm here. Today we're eating at Pork Star, but we'll review it because Terence actually recommended this place, but there's like literally
no. So
not a lot of people.
Right, he's been saying that we have to come here, we have to come here, we have to come here. I mean, no, honestly, it might be good. So let's just try it out. Let's just try it out.
A few moments later.
So after taking a few bites, right, I have to give it to Clarence's parents.
We're eating the pork belly.
Can we order this?
No,
no rice.
good. Solid.
Even though there's not much people here, maybe people just don't come here, but it's really good. So far, it's really good.
Shout out to Pork Star restaurant, it's so good. Okay, shishi.
Right now we are currently waiting for the club to open. It's currently 8:05
And it opens at 9 p.m. Yeah. You drunk already?
A whole new world.
We're at shishi today. So excited because we're gonna get the free flow drink. Haha. Just came back from the club and we're at a supermarket. Oh my god, looking for shampoo and like shower gel. Hello everyone, it's day 2 and we're chugging vitamin C because super tired. Health. What? What? So familiar. Look at his mosquito bites. Anyone want to sponsor his laser?
It's
Ask for a sponsor, quick.
stem flies, mosquito bed bugs, right?
Shit, it's damn bad.
It's been a wild trip.
Alright, Crate Cafe. Crate Cafe is like the must go. Super chill. Get some breakfast now. We in the breakfast club. Breakfast club. Hi friends, after a whole long ride, my eyelashes are like dying, but we're at this massage place and apparently my friend said that it's like the best massage ever. So I'm gonna do a deep tissue massage and then we'll be done. We're at Alia, the beach club, but we're thinking maybe we'll go to Mississippi because like it's a little bit wet here and it just rained. It's also very quiet, so we want something more hype.
I'm actually looking for something more chill. More.
So you want this?
I don't mind.
Okay. Wow, look at the sea. Hey Joey, you want to jump into the sea, right?
I want to bunny.
Go! I think it's a little bit cold right now. Currently at Potato Head, super pretty. We're watching the sunset. Super nice, and we also like took photos already. Yeah, we're drinking our cocktail. Yes, this cocktail is super good. Don't know what it's called, but it's not a coconut. Like this like passion fruit, fruity, sour, sweet. Look at the sky, guys. Looking pretty. We're at Pambilla right now. Pambilla. Look at this super pretty beach also. I'm wearing 37473 and this bikini wear is like reversible also. Yeah, anyways, it looks super good. Yeah, this place is so freaking pretty. Woo! paradise eh.
Paradise on earth.
Oh my god, we had so much fun here at Palm Villa, and it's 8 PM now, it's all closed. We're gonna head home now, highly recommend this place. We're at Nusa Penida. No, we're not there yet, but we're taking the ferry. It's early morning! We woke up at 6. We got at 5:45. Damn tired, but we had a very early night, so which is very good. And then we're going to Nusa Penida today. We're at the ferry stop. Okay, thank God we got onto the ferry, and then we kind of need to like remove our slippers. But yeah, all's good. And then we're heading there right now. We're at Nusa Penida. We slept for 45 minutes straight. Like, literally, like once we reached the ferry, right, we like slept. And then we have our club person here. We're gonna go get breakfast and then gonna go snorkeling. To Nusa Penida, everybody.
So this is my last day here. My last day here, and I'm a little bit upset.
Cry now. Yeah, cry now. We're here now. We're gonna grab breakfast first, and then after that we're gonna go snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay.
No man, ask me who you mean.
Alright, friends, can you show us what's in your bag?
Oh, okay.
What's in your bag today?
I mean, for a simple day trip like this, you know, usually I like to pack light. So I just have my little hand bar, and it's a waterproof case. So what I have here is my trusty 28-75 lens from Canon and the E7 III, for photos and videos.
What's that red ring?
So this is a diffusion filter, so it kind of like blooms the highlights in the photos. So,
That's how you get a dreamy look.
yeah, it gives you a very dreamy look. And then I also have my Ray-Ban shades. Shout out to Zen for this. And I got my swim shorts and I got my wallet, and stuff like that. So, yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah, why do you suddenly have an accent? We're gonna take a private boat right now because Clarence's gonna treat us. He really woo! Which kid? That's a kid, man. Okay. Private boat is fun.
Do anything you want.
Yeah, actually, true. At first we did not believe Gerald and Clarence because like we're thinking, okay, whatever, we can share the boat, right? But a private boat is so much better because like we have all the freedom to like do anything. So yeah, highly recommend. Thanks Gerald and Clarence for the recommendation.
No problem. Oh, it's Splitwise really.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Clarence. Go.
Here we go. I can't. Alright, so as you guys know, we've been doing our videos like that, and this is how we pay our bills. So Splitwise is the one that sponsored us for this shoot, and they brought us here all the way to Nusa Penida. And Splitwise is basically an app where you use for travelers. You can travel with a group of friends, plus
Split the bills equally.
and everything. It's the perfect way. It's so simple, fast free. Download it now and sign up with my link.
Yeah, use our referral code, guys. And at Kelkel 95, 97. Oh, snorkels! Okay. Right now, we're snorkeling, and then there's people. Hi! Yay! It was really fun. We saw manta rays, like literally just like swimming right beneath us. And the sun is out. Really nice and warm because just now we were going through some very tormenting thunderstorm. We're currently at Diamond Beach. So pretty. Oh my god, it was a climb.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a freaking crazy trek. Yeah. Oh, mad but it's worth it because look at the water.
By Miley Cyrus.
Yes, it's climbed by Miley Cyrus. We're at Loft.
One horizontal.
Hey friends, we're currently at Tamaran and this beach club is super pretty. Today it's only left with me, Terrence and Joey, and Sis stupidly brought her hotel sandals out. So that's me for being stupid. But yeah, this beach club is so pretty. Here's our table and then I'll take you guys around. Jack Sparrows, part of the Caribbean ship. Last day in our villa and we have already packed our luggages. Oh my god. Hi friends, today is our last day in Bali and this is really like a bittersweet feeling because I've been wanting to come to Bali for like the past like 2 years, and then you know, we had a really good time here. As you can see, like my voice is like quite raspy now because we've been laughing and talking a lot throughout this whole trip. And yeah, like honestly, like overall, like it was really a damn good trip and I highly recommend you guys to go to Nusa Penida because Nusa Penida is like a really beautiful island, and we went to Diamond Beach even though like the climb, right, it was like freaking steep. We had a lot of fun. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Current time is 10 AM and then we're gonna get breakfast and then head to the airport ASAP because we have a 2 PM flight to catch. Yeah. We're here at Suka Cafe. It's our last morning. It's so cute, it's a little doggy. It's super pretty here. The food is like not very ex. Hey friends, so we are boarding the plane soon. Our flight is at 2:30 and the plane just arrived and we're gonna go home now, back to Singapore. We just bought some donuts. But yeah, we're gonna head home. Bye!